I am Dr. Pooja Tomar, Associate Professor, Engineering College, Ajmer. Hello students, this is the first time that we are meeting in the platform of remedial class or makeup class. Previously, I have taught the numerical based on combustion from Unit 2, and in which I have categorized the problems from category 1 to category 6. You can see the table where fuels composition is given in different terms and what is asked is also given. And I have completed my lectures through YouTube video from category 1 to category 4, and we will complete the up to the category 6 at the end of the remedial or makeup class. The calculation based on combustion can be done as follows: by weight of oxygen needed or by volume of oxygen required. The combustion is carbon, combustible matter is carbon monoxide, hydrogen, sulfur, methane, ethane, ethene, ethyne, means all hydrocarbons. Look at the first combustion reaction of carbon. Carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Now, on the basis of weight of oxygen needed in terms of kilogram, the calculation is 12 kilogram of carbon requires 32 kilogram of oxygen to form 44 kilogram of carbon dioxide. So, 1 kilogram will require 32 by 12 kilogram of oxygen. So, a kilogram of carbon will require A into 32 by 12 kilogram of oxygen. Volumetric calculation is 1 volume of carbon requires 1 volume of oxygen to form 1 volume of carbon dioxide. So, reaction is 1:1. So, A volume of carbon will require A into 1 volume of oxygen. Likewise, we can also express the calculation for hydrogen. Hydrogen combines with half mole of oxygen to form combustion product H2O. Here, on the basis of weight calculation, the 2 kilogram of hydrogen requires 16 kilogram of oxygen to form 18 kilogram of water. So 1 kilogram of hydrogen will require 16 by 2 fraction of oxygen. So if C kilogram of hydrogen is present, the calculation is C into 16. Volumetric calculation for hydrogen is C into half, because hydrogen, 1 volume of hydrogen requires half volume of oxygen to form H2O. So the volume of oxygen needed is C into half. So by using these concepts during the calculation by weight or by volume of oxygen needed, you can take help from this table. Now some sample problem has been shown for your help. Calculate air for combustion of methane by volume. Because the combustion is done by volume, basis will be 1 meter cube or 1 liter, or it is mentioned in the problem. Combustion reaction, 1 volume of methane requires half volume of oxygen to form 1 volume of carbon dioxide. But 21 volume of oxygen is coming from supply of 100 volume of air. So 1 volume of oxygen will be coming from 100 upon 21 volume of air fraction. But 2 volume of oxygen is required, as we can see the combustion reaction. So 100 upon 21 into 2 is the total oxygen requirement for combustion of methane. The value is 9.52 by volume in meter cube or in liter. Likewise, we can also calculate the combustion for 75% of carbon by weight is present in fuel's composition. Basis will be 1 kilogram. Combustion reaction C plus O2 CO2. Here 12 kilogram of carbon requires 32 kilogram of oxygen to form 44 kilogram of carbon dioxide. 12 kilogram of carbon requires 32 kilogram of oxygen, but 1 kilogram of carbon will require 32 by 12 fraction of oxygen in kilogram. 0.75 kilogram of carbon will require 32 by 12 into 0.75 kilogram of oxygen, means 2 kilogram. Weight of air is equal to 100 upon 23 into 2 is equal to 8.69 kilogram. By using these two distinct concepts, volumetric and by weight, we can be able to solve the numerical problems from category 1 up to the category 6. Please do revise these concepts. From tomorrow I will be floating my YouTube lecture on this platform.